Laws of Exponents, worksheet number 4, question number 4. Question number 4 is extremely similar to question number 3. You have the negative exponents that need to be made positive. So the ones that are highlighted in blue need to be moved to the denominator. The ones highlighted in pink need to be moved to the numerator. Once you move them, once you take the reciprocal of them, the exponents will become positive. Pause your video, circle or box those terms, draw your arrows, get caught up. Okay, so it's time to rewrite this. I'm still going to have negative 48 in the numerator, but then all those terms up here, they get moved to the denominator. What gets moved to the numerator are all of these terms. So I'm going to have w to the 10th, x to the 7th, and y to the 7th. In the denominator, I still have 36. And then all of these get moved to the bottom. So x squared, y to the 12th, z to the 2nd. But then don't forget, you also have this z term that stayed on the bottom. So I also have a z to the 1st. All right, now that all the exponents are positive, it's now time to divide this. But it's not just division, because if you look at these terms right here, z to the 2nd and z to the 1st are both in the denominator, side by side, which means you're actually going to also multiply here. And those are the only terms you're going to multiply on. Okay, so remember, when you multiply, you add exponents. When you multiply, you add exponents. All right. You're going to put in the negative 48 over 36 yourself. Okay, so you're going to need a term up here and a term down here. For the negative 48 over 36, I'm not going to tell you what that is. X to the 2nd has the smaller exponent. So you're going to find the exponent for the x in the numerator. Y to the 7th has the smaller exponent. So you're going to find the exponent for the y in the denominator. And like I said, for the z terms, since it's multiplication, you will add those together and come up with your new exponent for the z. All right, now I know that's a lot to find yourself. Just be careful that and make sure you complete the problem the correct way. All right, so for our final answer, you're going to have that number on top, and this number is going to be on the bottom. Also on top, I have w to the 10th and the x term. On the bottom, I have the y and z terms. So you need to find these exponents. All right, and that is it for question number 4. Remember, when you're putting the negative 48 and the 36 in your calculator, please use the fraction button. And if you're using the iPad, remember it's going to give you a decimal. All you have to do is press the button right next to the equal sign to change it to a fraction. Right, if you have any questions for number 4, please do not hesitate to ask.